Do you want to mute story on Messenger? You can mute a Facebook Messenger story with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To mute a story on Facebook Messenger. First, open the Messenger app on your mobile device. Once you're on Facebook Messenger, tap the Stories option at the bottom of the screen. Browse through the stories and find the person whose story you want to mute. Now, tap the story to open and play. Once open, tap the three dots menu icon at the top right of the screen. A pop-up menu will appear. From here, select Mute Story. The person's story will now be muted, and you will no longer see their stories at the top of your Messenger. You can unmute them anytime from Messenger settings if needed.